National Weather Service in Jackson has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Noxubee County and east central Mississippi, northeastern Kemper County and east central Mississippi, until 7:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 7:18 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Cooksville, or 18 miles southwest of Hallettsville, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southeastern Noxubee and northeastern Kemper counties. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Now, with some persecution, the Christian life is the best life you'll ever have on this earth. The journey with Christ toward heaven is the most wonderful experience and the greatest adventure.